Hey, I'm going to show you in 3 to 5 minutes how to make these light, fluffy scrambled eggs. Kind of that expensive restaurant style egg. So stick around, let me show you the secret ingredient and how I do it in my cast iron skillet. Let's get cooking. Hey, let's get these eggs cracked. I think I'm going to do 4 eggs scrambled. I'm going to try something I haven't ever done before. So we're going to do that. Put some heavy whipping cream in there, and we're gonna whip these up. So I'm just using a whisk here. I usually use a fork, but I don't think it matters a whole lot, but I wanna get them very well mixed so that there's no chunks of weight in here. That's looking pretty good. Before you throw the eggs in, we're just gonna spray this with a little bit of vegetable oil, whipping cream, and we're going to stick them in there. I kind of do a fold action. I don't stir them up because of course, we're trying to make them fluffy like you do in a high-end restaurant. So let's see if this works out for us. But look at that. That's come along real nice. So those are really looking fluffy. I think this is working. This is much better than adding a little bit of water or milk or just nothing. A lot of times I don't put anything. I just crack a couple eggs and throw them in there. They're done, but they're not ever done. So let's get a plate and see what we got here. Nice, fluffy. They look pretty good. I do like a little black pepper on my eggs, so we'll put some fresh cracked pepper on there. And we're gonna try these out. Put a little Texas heat on mine, and let me know in the comments, what condiment do you like on your eggs? I always put a little black pepper and Texas Pete or Tony's grill seasoning. Just kick it up a notch. These are delicious. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you'll give this a try. Put some whipping cream in some scrambled eggs and cook them. And as always, if you like my cooking, I would appreciate a like, subscribe, and click that notification button. I might cook something you don't want to miss, just saying.